Twinkle poem.
Dog goes woof woof, so loud and clear. Cat goes meow meow, we love to hear. Cow says moo moo in the field so wide. Sheep goes baa baa with woolly pride. Duck goes quack quack, splashing away. Horse goes neigh neigh, it loves to play. Animal sounds are fun for you. Can you make them woof woof, meow meow, woof woof? Goat goes mama on the mountain steep. It goes oink oink with a muddy leap. Frog says ribbit ribbit by the stream. Owl goes hoo hoo in a nighttime dream. Rooster shouts cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Wakes the farm with a morning cue. He goes buzz buzz around the flowers, working hard for many hours. Monkey goes ooh ooh ah ah with a swing, climbing trees both low and high. Lion roars loud, rah rah, I'm king. All the jungle animals sing. Animal sounds are here to stay. Let's sing them loud in a happy way. Clap your hands.